If you use Opera every day, customizing the sidebar can make your browser feel much cleaner, faster, and easier to use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the sidebar on Opera browser step by step, including how to add the tools you want, hide the ones you don't need, set up workspaces, and even turn on auto hide to keep everything nice and minimal. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera and look all the way at the bottom of the sidebar on the left side of the browser. You'll see a 3 horizontal dots icon. This is the sidebar setup menu. Click that icon and a panel will slide out showing you a checklist of all the available sidebar features. This is where Opera gives you full control over what appears on your sidebar. If there are features you use often, simply check the box next to them to add them. If there are items you don't want taking up space, uncheck them to hide them. It's a simple way to keep your browser organized and focused on the tools that actually matter to you. Now let's talk about Workspaces, because this is one of the most useful sidebar features in Opera. Turn on Workspaces if you want to create separate tab groups for different parts of your day or different types of browsing. For example, you can make one workspace for work, another for shopping, and another for gaming. These workspaces appear as icons at the top of your sidebar, making it really easy to switch between them without mixing up all your tabs. If you want to create a new workspace, click Add More. From there, you can give it a custom name and choose an icon that fits the type of browsing you'll use it for. This is especially helpful if you like staying organized or if you manage a lot of tabs at once. Next, scroll through the sidebar options and look for Opera Tools. When you turn this on, you can quickly access built-in features like bookmarks, history, downloads, and personal news right from the sidebar. That means fewer clicks and faster access whenever you need to find something important. A lot of people also like customizing the sidebar by enabling only the tools they use every day. For example, if you check your downloads often, keep that visible. If you use history to jump back to pages you visited earlier, keep that on too. The goal is to make the sidebar fit your workflow instead of cluttering it with features you never use. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the panel and look for the option to auto-hide the sidebar when not in use. Turn that on if you want a cleaner browsing experience. With auto-hide enabled, the sidebar disappears when you're not using it and only comes back when you move your mouse over it or need it again. This is perfect if you want more screen space while browsing. Once you've finished choosing your sidebar tools, take a second to review everything and make sure it looks the way you want. The great thing about Opera is that you can always come back and change these settings later if your preferences change. And that's it. Now you know how to customize the sidebar on Opera browser, add useful tools, manage workspaces, and keep things tidy with auto hide. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and lets me know to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.